Nike is gearing up for Fall 2025 with the launch of the Pegasus 41 Michigan, a standout in its NCAA-themed collection. Dressed in the iconic maize and blue, this pair pays homage to the Michigan Wolverines with pride. Featuring breathable navy mesh uppers, vibrant yellow accents, and a bold white swoosh, it's designed for fans and athletes alike. ReactX foam cushioning and a Zoom Air unit deliver responsive comfort, while a durable outsole ensures grip on both stadium stairs and campus pavement. The heel sports a standout M logo, and Nike Pegasus 41 is stitched on the tongue for a finishing touch of flair. Whether you're training, cheering from the stands, or repping your school spirit on a run, this shoe makes a bold statement. The Nike Pegasus 41 Michigan drops Fall 2025 at select Nike Sportswear retailers and on Nike.com, with a retail price of $145.